Coach leading by 10 points for the fourth quarter.
Yeah, after the timeout, I talked to them that they will have that run. And then, sabi ko na, we need to weather the storm. And we expect naman na it will be a close game down the stretch. I think ang sinabi ko lang is like, they are executing very well yung Ginebra down the stretch on the last 3 minutes of the game. And we have some mistake, bad decision nung huli. So, I think we need to, ano lang, kumbaga, ano namin, strengthen yung ano namin, half court and execution namin, defensive and offensive.
Coach, pansin din namin down the stretch, parang ginamit niya rin si William. Kumusta yung progress niya sa in terms of gel?
Yeah, it will be a process. Nakita niyo naman, wala pang gel talaga. Hindi pa yung chemistry, medyo malayo pa. But we expect naman na medyo mag-a-adjust talaga siya. And hopefully, when the playoff starts, medyo maganda na yung tatakbuhin ng chemistry with Gel. Nakailang tatlong practice lang sa amin. So siguro mas magiging maganda naman yan after few days.
Coach, nagkikipikit na sa standings in terms of top 4. Kung nanalo sana kayo, medyo
Yeah, I mean, cannot well on this one. Sabi ko lang sa kanila, we need to siguro tingnan yung mga game namin until 12 o'clock tonight, and then tomorrow we will focus on NLEX na next year. Still, yung destiny namin, yung chance namin to have a twice to beat advantage, nasa kami pa naman natin. Sa big game, I think kahit ata kami. No? So, we will try to prepare for that game.
Coach, gano'n lang ka-importante yung magandang start niyo sa conference ito kasi nga kahit natalo kayo ng ganito.
Yeah, very important. So, at least kahit pa paano naka-pondo kami. Kasi last conference, medyo hirap talaga kami. So, naghahabol kami sa dulo. But now, I think, at least kami, sure for quarterfinals, yun na lang incentives ang hinahabol namin. So, but we will go for it. Paghahandaan namin yun para makuha namin. Salamat.
Thank you.